Have you ever wondered if your thoughts have the power to change your reality? Well, they do. The law of attraction states that whatever you focus on, you attract into your life. So, if you want to create a positive and successful life, you need to start thinking positive thoughts. In this video, we will discuss the power of positive thinking and how you can use it to achieve your goals. We will also provide some tips on how to cultivate a more positive mindset. The first step to using the law of attraction is to become aware of your thoughts. Pay attention to what you are thinking about on a daily basis. Are your thoughts mostly positive or negative? If you find that you are thinking a lot of negative thoughts, don't worry. You can change your thinking patterns with practice. One way to start thinking more positively is to practice meditation. Meditation can help you to focus on the present moment and let go of negative thoughts. You can also try journaling or affirmations. Journaling is a great way to express your thoughts and feelings, while affirmations are positive statements that you can repeat to yourself to help you believe in yourself. It is also important to surround yourself with positive people. The people you spend time with can have a big impact on your thoughts and feelings. So, choose to spend time with people who are supportive and uplifting. Finally, don't give up. It takes time to change your thinking patterns, but if you are persistent, you will eventually see results. If you want to learn more about the law of attraction, there are many resources available online and in libraries. You can also find many positive thinking communities online and in your local community. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.